We just had a massive downpour. So the drainage, once again, I go on about it, but how good is it working? So the downpipe is not connected to rainwater tank over there, so it flows through. This part of the pad used to flood, so we've got drainage underneath these rocks here. Never washes any of the hardwood bark away. Plants are growing exponentially over the last few months just with all this rain. So basically the dug in drain finishes here. I've drainage coming down this side now, so it basically just runs off into here. And as you can see, it runs down. This used to be a really boggy area and I couldn't mow properly because it come down off a ledge here and that was aggressive, so hand dug all that out. Hand dug this little creek section here. Hardenbergia, some Leptospermum, Melaleuca, Banksia. It's a really nice little gentle flow. Just planted him yesterday. A few more Leptospermum. I think it looks fabulous. Goes into a bigger pond. And basically this used to be the quagmire area here. So it flows through here really nice. And basically just goes off down the property. Goes out the two misty plumes down there near the beehives. It just flows out through the neighbour's property. But I think you'd agree, Eremophilas look beautiful. I think you'd agree, that looks fabulous and very functional.